Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about personality techniques, exploring by projective and non-projective techniques. First of all, we are going to see about how it's applicable in our day-to-day life of the projective and non-projective text in the psychology, providing the insight into their methodologies and applications. Pre-projective text like the Rogers ink blot text and thematic appreciation text will be discussed along with the significance of the assessment in understanding the human behavior. Projective techniques. Roche's ink blot test. The Roche's ink blot test was created by Herman Roches. It's the projective psychology test consisting of 10 ink blot. It is used to analyze a personality characters and the emotional functioning. Participants are shown the ink blot and asked what each one looked like and remained them off. The response are then interpreted to gain the sight into their thoughts, feeling and behavioral patterns. Thematic appreciation test. The thematic appreciation test, also called as TAT, is another projective test that involves presenting the individuals with ambitious images and asking them to create a story based on what they see. It was developed by Henry Murray. The TAT aimed to uncover the underlying motives, concurrents, and the way a person perceives social situations. This test is widely used in a clinical settings to explore any personal conflict or the theme present in a person narrative. Children Appreciation Test. The Children Appreciation Test, also called as CAT, is a projective psychology test designed for the children. It is a series of pictures to elicit stories from young participants, helping psychologists understand their emotion and cognitive development. The narrative children create their rival, their thoughts, feelings, and the social relationship make it useful tool in ascending developed issue or in children's non-projective text. Objective personality assessment. Objective personality assessment are standardized tests that requires respond to the answer specific questions or the student statement. Unlike projective text, these assessments are structured and qualifiable. Common example include the MMP and 6PF. These tests provide reliable data regarding an individual personality traits and psychological functioning, useful in clinical, occupational, and research settings. Self-inventories. It's involve individual providing subjective evaluation of their behavior, attitude, and feeling. These inventories range from simple rating scales to in-depth questionnaires, enable research and clinicals to access various psychological dimensions accurately. Popular examples include the Bent Depression Inventory and the Big Five Personality Test, which can be invaluable for diagnosing psychological conditions. Behavioral assessment. Behavioral assessment focus on observing and measuring individual actions and reaction in various contexts. This method often includes analyzing pattern of behavior through direct observation or reported by others. Behavioral assessment can be particularly effective for diagnosing conditions such as ADHD and or anxiety disorder. Technical techniques can include structured interview, role play, and observational checklist. Conclusion. Both projective and non-projective texts play essential role in psychological assessment. Projective texts offer insight into the unconscious thoughts and feelings, while non-projective texts provide measurable and objective data. Understanding the strength and the limitation of each method is crucial for effective psychology evaluation and treatment planning, ensuring comprehensive support for individual mental health needed. Thank you.